Hello guys, in this video you're going to learn how to configure server and web pages. Let's drag and drop the two PCs and also the server. Under network devices, select the switches. So drag and drop the PT switch. Connect all these end devices to switches. I'm going to use automatically connect devices from PC1 to switch 0. Connect all devices to the switches. Let's configure PCs. Under desktop, click on IP configuration. Let's give IPv4 address. I'm gonna type 192.168.1.1. Press tab for automatically fill up the subnet mask. Close it. Do the same thing for another PC, but give another IP address within the same network. That is 192.168.1.2. Press tab for subnet mask. Let's also configure server. Come to the desktop. Select the IP configuration. Give IP address 192.168.1.3. Press tab. After configuration, let's go to the service. Under service, go to the HTTP. Select on both HTTPS and HTTP. Let's edit the index.html. So I'm gonna change the Cisco Packet Tracer to YouTube. Also here, welcome to YouTube. Click on save. Click on yes. After that, close this window. Let's send the packets from PC to server. It's successful. From server 0 to PC1, it's also successful. Let's check it in simulation mode. From packet 0 to server 0. Click on this play button. So it sends PC 0 to switch 0, then switch 0 to server 0. After receiving the packet, server will send the packets to the PC 0. So it sends from PC 0 to switch 0, then switch 0 to PC 0. After configuring IP address and web page, let's check the web page in the PC. Open up the PC, click on web browser. Now give the IP address of the server in the URL, that is this IP address 192.168.1.3. Click on go. So it receives the web page of that server. Thank you for watching guys.